How do we use conditions for automations? We use 4 types of conditions: or, and, if, and any. These help us combine different rules into a single trigger. The or condition lets us trigger an action if any of the listed conditions are true. When we add an or block, there is a plus button that allows us to add more triggers. We can see a list of triggers to choose from. In this example, use an or condition based on our automation P and L. Then add 2 P and L triggers. Set the trigger in a way total P and L is greater than 5,000, or the total P and L is equal to minus 5,000. Since this check is only for these automations, the trigger checks only the current automation P and L. Now check if all settings are correct. The portfolio check will see if the total P and L is greater than 5,000 or equal to minus 5,000 and will trigger if either is true. Similarly, we can use an AND condition. When we add an AND condition, set up triggers that will activate only if both conditions are true at the same time. Here, add an automation P and L and the number of open positions. We set it so our total P and L is greater than 10,000 and at the same time the number of open positions is greater than 2. This and condition will trigger only when both of these conditions are true. We can now use if conditions. An if condition checks a value and leads to 2 possible outcomes, true or false. Now we check if our total P and L from the automation is greater than 10,000. There are 2 outcomes, true if the total P and L is more than 10,000, false if the total P and L is less than 10,000. We can attach different actions or triggers based on whether the outcome is true or false. For example, if it is true, we place an order. If it is false, we square off our positions. This is how if conditions work. Now we can use the any condition. Any is similar to or, but works a bit differently. In the any block, set up multiple conditions. In this example, we set a range breakout high and a range breakout low from 10 o'clock to 10:30 for Nifty. This setup checks if the price breaks above or below the range between 10 and 10:30. With the any condition, there are 2 possible outcomes. Nifty breaks above or Nifty breaks below the range. We can link 2 different actions, triggers or conditions based on which outcome happens. If it breaks down, we link it to a stop automation. If it breaks above, we link it to a place order. This is how the any block works. Quick highlights. Why some triggers are not available in and or if conditions but available for any condition. Some triggers are not available in and or and if blocks because these blocks continuously reevaluate conditions at regular intervals and therefore support only triggers that have retest capability. Many triggers, such as order status or webhook triggers, are event-based and fire only once. Since these events cannot be repeatedly checked, they are not compatible with and or if logic. The any block, however, is designed to listen for one-time events and proceed based on which trigger occurs first, which is why it supports all trigger types. Let's recap. In this video, we had a quick walkthrough of how or and any if conditions work. Or proceeds when any one of the configured conditions becomes true and then follows the same next action. And proceeds only when all configured conditions are true at the same time. Any monitors multiple conditions and triggers different actions based on which condition is met first. If checks a condition and follows one path if true and a different path if false. Got questions on automation conditions? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.